for 7 days? Seven days? Make sure your pointers are ready. If you're using that laser pointer, turn it down. She said 7 days. Fingers ready? There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Finger ready for the date song. Today is Thursday.
Today is Thursday.
November 20th. Oh, November.
No, 19. No,
20. We forgot to write a 20. Write a 20 here. 2 0. 2 0. All right, let's start that over again. Today is Thursday.
Today is Thursday.
November 20th.
November 20th.
2014.
2014.
That is the date. Right, nice job. We forgot to do that. Usually we remember right away. That's all right. Everybody makes mistakes. On to the next slide. Pointers ready. Here we go. Winter, spring, summer, fall. Which one is the best of all? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Please tell me, go back for a moment, make sure you're there. Please tell me which month is after November. December. December is after November. Next slide, please. Madison's doing a nice job of following along with a quiet voice. Keep up the good work. Drum roll, please, for the weather report. 3, 2, 1. What is it today, Glory? The weather is? Sunny. We're making a picture graph for the weather of November. So duplicate the sunny and add it to our picture graph. Remember, our learning target for calendar is that we can record and organize our data. That's what we're doing right now. We're recording weather data for the month and we're organizing it in a picture graph. Next slide, please. Nice job with that, boys and girls. We are also recording our temperatures. We have very cold, cold, cool, warm, hot, and very hot in our temperature range.
Very cold?
Very cold is below 0. Our actual temperature is below 0. It is not below 0, and it's not, so we have 0 to 40. We are in the 0 to 40 range. So select your transparent color, and we're doing it in a pattern so we can see the, click on it. This color, right? And so another cold day. So there Glory is filling in our 9th day of cold weather in the month of November. Next slide, boys and girls. Counting by tens, fingers ready. Oh, wait, we have a few friends that are not with the team. Benjamin, next slide, please. All right, fingers ready. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Backward. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, and 0. Next, counting by 5s. Counting by 5s, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Next, choose. Together as a team. 2. Ready, set, 2. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. Nice job following along, team. Next slide. Please select your drawing from yesterday and delete it. And once you have done that, put your screen down. You already knew what to do. You did it before I even said those words. Good remembering. All right. Glory's going to set her iPad aside. She's going to come up and we're going to track our number of the day. Starting with, she's going to add a straw. So we add a straw. We had 54 yesterday. So one more in the ones place makes 55. She's putting a counter because we're going to show the same number a different way. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens, or 50, and 5 ones. So 5 in the ones place for 55. All right, screens up. Got your 5 straws in there. Put the number 55 in the center of your screen. 55. We'll wait to circle odd or even. Today we pick one or the other tallies or base 10 blocks. I want you to make a model of base 10 blocks today for the number 55. Use base 10 blocks on this side. I see some people already getting to work. So doing your 10 rods, how many 10s do you have? 5. Lori's got her 10s. She's got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. How many ones? 5. When you draw them next to each other in pairs. So you can see, nice job, Dana, drawing them next to each other. We've got 2 here, 2 here. All right, now I can look at my base 10 blocks and see if I have an odd or even number. So these 2 are paired together. These 2 are paired together. Okay, does this one have a match for a partner? No, it's an odd number. 55 is odd. There's one other way we know if it's odd, and that says we don't say 2, 4, 6, 8, or a 10 when we count the number 55. Please turn to the next slide, boys and girls. Delete your work from yesterday. She's working on it. All right, let's take a look at our place value for the number 55. Do we have any hundreds?
No.
No hundreds. Tens?
Yes.
How many? 5. We have 5 tens. I saw too that Glory tried to write expanded form. 5 tens would make it, meaning 50. 50 in that spot. So that's 5 tens. We count the tens by 5s. So that represents that 5 in that spot represents 50. So then how many ones do we have? 5. So that would be 50 plus 5 makes the number equals 55. 55. 55. 50 plus 5 equals 55. You can write that on your iPad if you want a little extra challenge. Write the number of the day in the middle box. 55. Max, did you write 55 in the middle box? Do it now. Thank you for writing it down. What's the number just before 55? Thank you for raising your hand. Brooke.
54.
54. That's like saying 55 minus 1 is 54. 2 before 55. Or take 2 away. Subtract 2. Michaela.
53.
53. 54. 53. I can check by counting. 53, 54, 55. Yes, that's what I say when I count by ones. 1 after 55. That's like saying 55 plus 1. Priscilla.
56.
56. Then 2 after 55. This is the same as saying 55 plus 2 equals what, Abby? 57. 55, 56, 57. I can check my work by counting the numbers from the left all the way to the right. 53, 54, 55, 56, and 57. We say that when we count by ones. Please go to the next slide. We're looking at our teeth data. Who lost a tooth? Stevie lost a tooth. So we're going to write Stevie. Stevie starts with a st, an S-T, and then an E. St-E,
S-P-E-V-I-E.
V, and then I-E. So far, we're keeping track and organizing our data on our tooth chart here. We have 3 people for the month of November that lost their teeth. So far for the month of November, compare that to October. Which month had more teeth lost so far? Priscilla?
October.
October in our class chart. I'm going to climb up on the chair since I moved my chart. October is right here. In October, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 people. I think that's a class record. I don't think I've ever had 13 people lose teeth in 1 month. All right, first graders, nice job with calendar. Please hit your house button to save your data. Overwrite it, and then you can put your screen down once you've done that. You added a page. We can delete that page.
I lost. I have 4 lost. No, I lost 1. I have 4 lost.
All right, I see Dana with her screen down and Hunter with his screen down. Nice job, first graders. Michaela's looking at me, ready to listen. Priscilla's looking at me. Glory is looking up here. She's ready to listen as well. Max, please turn around. Thank you for looking up here and being ready to listen. First graders, I'd like you to put your iPad in your desk and get ready for math.